The Ferrari SF90 Stradale 2025 is a masterpiece of performance and design. A car that brings Formula One technology to the road while maintaining the luxury and style Ferrari is known for. Imagine standing in front of a machine that combines extreme aerodynamics, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and raw Italian passion. This car is not just built to be driven, it is built to dominate. The SF90 Stradale represents Ferrari's vision of the future, where every detail serves a purpose, and every component is designed to push boundaries. At its core, the car is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of over 1,030 horsepower. That staggering figure means the SF90 Stradale accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.3 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, delivering one of the most thrilling driving experiences possible on 4 wheels. The hybrid system isn't just for speed, it also enhances efficiency, giving the car an all-electric driving mode for short distances, showcasing Ferrari's commitment to blending performance with modern sustainability. On the outside, the Ferrari SF90XX Stradale is sculpted like a work of art. The design is inspired by race cars, with aggressive lines, a wider stance, and an aerodynamic profile that channels air with incredible precision. A massive fixed rear wing sits proudly at the back, marking the first time in decades Ferrari has put such a wing on a road car, a testament to its focus on downforce and stability. The front is dominated by sharp LED headlights and larger air intakes that improve cooling while enhancing the car's bold character. Every angle tells a story of speed and performance, whether it's the sculpted hood, the side skirts, or the diffuser at the rear. Step inside, and the cabin is a blend of minimalism and motorsport-inspired luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features carbon fiber elements, racing seats, and a new steering wheel that integrates touch-sensitive controls. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing real-time performance data with crystal clarity. Unlike some luxury supercars, Ferrari keeps distractions to a minimum, ensuring that the driver feels completely connected to the car on the road. Despite its racing DNA, the SF90 Stradale doesn't compromise on comfort, offering high-quality materials and finishes that remind you it is still a Ferrari at heart. Driving dynamics are where the SF90 Stradale truly shines. Ferrari has equipped the car with advanced aerodynamics, including an active rear wing that automatically adjusts for maximum grip during cornering and braking. The all-wheel drive system, combined with advanced torque vectoring, ensures incredible stability and control even at high speeds. The suspension system is tuned for both track and road, allowing the driver to enjoy precision handling without sacrificing comfort. On longer drives, with multiple driving modes including iDrive, hybrid, performance, and qualifying, the car adapts to the driver's needs, whether it's cruising silently in electric mode or unleashing full power on the track. What makes the SF90 Stradale so special is how it bridges the gap between road car and race car. It takes inspiration from Ferrari's X program, which was traditionally reserved for track-only cars, and makes it accessible for the road. This means you get the raw excitement of a race-bred machine combined with the refinement of a Ferrari Grand Tourer. For collectors and enthusiasts, this car is more than just transportation. It's an icon that represents the pinnacle of Ferrari engineering in 2025. Every element, from the roar of the V8 to the silent glide of electric mode, has been carefully designed to deliver an emotional experience. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale 2025 is not just about numbers or speed. It's about passion, heritage, and pushing the limits of what's possible in a modern supercar. It shows how Ferrari continues to innovate while staying true to its DNA of performance and exclusivity. Limited in production, it's a car that few will ever own, but many will dream about. Whether on the racetrack or the open road, it represents the perfect fusion of technology, artistry, and performance. This is Ferrari at its absolute best, a car that doesn't just move, but inspires, a car that takes everything we know about supercars and elevates it to an entirely new dimension.